For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. So Orlando Pirates 3, St. Elulupopo 0. Orlando Pirates are out of the CAF Champions League. A lose on penalties. It was implausible. Not impossible, but implausible. Very difficult for them to climb back the 3-0 that they lost in Congo. There was always also a chance that if Pirates scores 3 goals, we go to penalties. And that's exactly what happened. And that's so demoralizing that you score 3 goals and that's supposed to be a winning scoreline under normal circumstances. But because they were so poor in the first leg, or they were overwhelmed in the first leg, it became a 3-3 aggregate scoreline. And Orlando Pirates are out of the CAF Champions League. You should have been with us here. It was very tense, very exciting as well, as Pirates scored a last-minute winner. Junior, what did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just.
Yeah, behind the scene. Ngibulise Lindo Pep. Ngibulise TJK.
Yes, sir.
Benedict Sovilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting Itisky TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. A sad day in South African football. We need to be realistic. Obvious sonke. Angisifele Orlando Pirates, but everybody was behind the Orlando Pirates. Because if Pirates won and go straight, especially in Kulmagoma knockout stages with Champions League, also going to the final, Bane Sundowns, it was good for players in Kulma in terms of World Cup.
Yeah.
But effect, Tando as fun. The reality is the coach. Sometimes Bakshali Zandla when you coach good players, very talented and good players as a coach. I'm not saying what is a bad coach, but I'm talking about the question meaning guys. Yes, I'm uploader, whatever he has done at Orlando Pirates won the Culling Black Label. MTN8. I mean to say, mind you, got a semi-final, a Culling Black Label. But when you coach quality players, sometimes guna la Pirates definitely sure going to the game. I think Pirates the plan is to concede 3 goals away.
Yeah.
I know what they came back.
They lost the goal in the first leg.
Yes. I know what we scored 3 goals. Well done to players. They came here, they scored 3 goals. Those players, they gave it all. You understand? Those experience for me plays a major part. Going to the game, the coach approach the game without having a striker. Unomabasa, which is South Africa, kuna this tendency. This guy is going to chase when he plays there front. I want a striker also centrally bullied, and then I want him to harass there, and then if he doesn't score, but I'm fully defending. I don't think he's got a PA for Mabasa, but I don't know what the guy has done. He mistaken Jose Rivero last year. Number 1, 6 months first. The guy is scoring a very vital goals for you, effortless. Yabo asekeneni yabo ukuthi uzolimala lapha because ujumpa nama defender leyo nto lefuni coaching is not a talent. The guy can score goals, he master a position. Coach we Pirates today sacrifice udlale with false 9 we should nama midfield amaningi ka left idlale nga police ka right udlale I think
Muremi on the left, Police on the right.
I've been to say yes. Ufuna ukudlala ngama player wonke lama midfield ufuna kube ne dead man run. The question is, to the coach, you playing with that without a striker. Ufuna position play and also surprise my opponent. Lama player can they do those clever runs? Nah. They can play off the ball now. It's a question. We should lama run wafuna, can they do it now? Ngifuna ukwazi going behind the defense. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yes, ngibonile coach ufuna lo ukuthi okay. Ngifuna umremba mdlale behind and then he played first time or he scores. Or mhlambi Gongweni score for him. Mhlambi lento bekayifuna Police. The question ukuthi bayakwazi ukwenza na ukudlala off the ball na. Because ama player kimi ngabheka umremi can udlala ibhola malikuye. Or mhlambi if he plays 1-2 balidlala, he cross the ball first time. He can't take somebody on. Kule game coach I think he failed. In them failile ukudlala without a strike. I don't think the lineup yakhe futhi enye into mele ngibe straightforward. I don't think this is lineup. Ngoba wonke ama game bekadlala nge-dead man run with a striker. Angithi mnike reference. Keeping the ball. Angithi baye bamshayelisa Nolindo said it even though I heard kwenye video ukuthi i-coach Sundowns Pirates now they by manage game also surprised you. Abadlali nge-speed. It's different Orlando Pirates they compare which is true but
you can see ukuthi kuna emphasis
it build up Orlando Pirates first half it bit slow because of Funduli. udlalile. Yes, I saw ukuthi ufuna udlala nge-false nine, ufuna abadlali kube ne-third man run, but i-build up, I think it was slow because of uNduli. Yonke ibhola kumele Pirates build up, kumele liqale kuNduli. Ngifan yomuntu odlala i-holding midfield ukuthi alinke between i-defense and midfield, but yonke play i-Pirates slow up i-game is because of him. Ngoba if the guy namhlanje Kobe anganiki i-defense midfield, he didn't need it. Hayi ukuthi azayicala.
Yeah, the guys were very defensive. Limpopo didn't offer anything much attacking.
Mfethu, even noma ngabe uqale kanjalo mhlawumbe uqala kuNduli, first 10 minutes a tactical change akuna problem. Another thing, going to the game, I think we rely ukuthi okay, I know Umbule can score, Tito Masangai can score, Mreme can score, Apolis can score. Labantu bebenza into one. They play away from the box. I mean, how many clear cut chances? How many chances they created first half? Nothing. They shoot far. Ngibonile mhlambe uTita shoot fair, ngibona uPolisa shoot up, ngikhuluma first half. Clear cut chances azange by create. Going to second half, ngibona coach yenza ama-sub. Bring Kabelo Dlamini well done to the pass le, ngikhuluma ngegoli lokugcina. But masikhuluma iVaru drop game if I can be realistic. And now the way ama-sub akawenze ngakhona, I don't understand why taking out Mbuli and why taking out uNemtejela. uNemtejela mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi uthole yellow card ngimzwile utho, but le game le you risk him. The guy was so important, he scored a vital goal for you. I mean, lo mfana lo bekaphethe arrogance, ubagaya uphethe energy, very skillful, he can beka le bola likorile lapho individual brilliant usuka nebhola from deep, ulanda deep le bola uzanalo. You need that arrogant kule game, beka need umuntu ozomwinela. He needed match winners, bekangafuni teamwork kule game, match winners. So lo mfana bekumele somebody amtshele coach, I know une World Cup, une yellow card, just can you risk leave him Nombule Miyeke. Enye into ngifuna ukwazi, why substituting uSibelebele and putting uLibitso? Questionable ngaye coach. I wanted to cause it to. There's nothing. These guys were not attacking on the left hand side. Because they want African play now with tactical change by Enzil. Bebadlali afina every man behind the ball. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Every man. Bane the coach is capable the team. Not a good team but capable. And when I check the highlights, bane front three dangerous. 3 players they scored. Last ngikhuluma ngegame. Ngikore striker ngakore wing right, left wing. Ngikhuluma ngawe. Angibukela game yonke but ama clips ngabonile. Second half coach utshele somebody, I think he spoke to them ukuthi ngicela kube ne reference there. Just go between these two center back uSiyema no Mbokazi. And it did just play him. These guys, how many fouls they won there? And how many chances mabalibe angikhuluma nga clear cut chance, but bebayinike problem that delay ukuthi badlale le bhola sithuke la studio, even the Pirates start panicking. I'm sure. Coach ufaka uKabelo, I know ukuthi well done to him. Ngikhuluma ngale goal le lokugcina.
He had an impact in the game.
Yeah, but through him, mangithi drop game, I play better. uTito can have Tito and him Kabelo Dlamini. Badlala ibhola enyaweni bethu. It's like similar type of player. Somebody njengayo uNomtejela, mangabe umkhipha uNomtejela leave Mbule. Anginankinga ukuthi yeza uKabelo. For me uthatha isikhathi ukuthi abe segame, I'm not too sure ukuthi womapili. Ngimshayela izandla nge-last pass le yayishayile. But ngikhuluma nge-impact game yonke mangichecka nje the whole game angenile. Questionable for me. Mara ngepass, because the pass ungahlala ungabi khona, but their pass isinike yonke into ngawo. So isibonisile ukuthi uKabelo what he can do at Orlando Pirates. But akana choice anyway, he's competing with Nomtejela, with Sipho Mbule as well. Also Tito Maswangai, which is uTito naye igame today never show up. In today's game he never show up. Like he came, coach him without nothing. But compliment to Pirates players, I think they did it for themselves, scoring 3 goals. The Pirates tells you Gucci, if the away team, if the home team Mandlala away can score 3, that's going to score 3. Pirates, they are very good, but talented. They've signed proper talented players. But massive an effect, if we can be realistic, the experience plays a major role. Ngikhuluma ngama penalty. Ma penalty, those guys were so composed. Nguleko decided. Nale penalty, Uchayile, we know even in the studio we were debating ukuthi Uchayile will save 2.
And normally he'll save 1 or 2.
But he might decide to suga lapha a center.
I think the other important factor is that I think China has faced maybe 20 or 30 penalties in the last 2 years are televised. Yeah. If you do your homework, you can see how he dives. We don't know that goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Asazi ukuthi yini iweaker side yakhe. People do their homework in football. Football is very expensive. You do your homework, people get paid 50 to 100,000 to do their homework. If we don't see you, goalkeeper Limpopo, we don't know what's your weak point. Yeah. Ronan Williams, we've watched him, observed him, we know what his weak point is. Because their matches are televised. We don't know that team. Yeah. So that's also a factor as well. Because anyways, Bashaya Futigui, sudden death. Yeah. So it's not like the Pirates missed maybe 5 or 3 penalties. These guys were equal until the last penalty.
Yeah, true. I'm not saying the Pirates, they good game.
Yeah, they fought. They fought.
No, not even fought.
They fought back.
Yes, there's a character and the talent. The Pirates ngishayela izandla, but the different kuma penalties ngikhuluma ngecompose. Bheka decision making, how they kick their penalty, deciding. Okay, Woto, you know Woto.
Because he is experienced now, Woto.
It goes down a character.
He's
It's
very
a different stage, Liz. He's very experienced in Betway Premiership sharp. I know he's international player, but they different stage. Beka lengwenya lezi nayo akusukuthi ibambile uChina. Bembambile lapha, it goes beyond. But ubheka ama penalty was similar. Decide. Abayena kuna play penalty central. I'm not talking ukuthi they were so good, but experience goes with experience. You decide from a center. And well done with that. But to the game, I believe if they wanted to score, they could score.
If they had a formation that guaranteed them a goal, they would have scored.
Ngisho kanjalo
I
ngoba-
believe it too, because they were just every man behind
Yeah,
the ball.
ngoba mangibheka
Every man behind the
the
ball.
last esikhuluma nge-second half akusukuthi they were better than Orlando Pirates, but what they did, they came and put a striker there. Bafaka Lengwenyu number 10, which is playing on the left
I'd
next
love
to
to
the
see that striker actually go to what's going to happen with him. Because they look like they have a good striker.
trainee the game because they gave it all.
I want to see if someone can sign him, because he's got if Uedwa usokolisa abantu by 3 or 4 as a striker for like 40, 50, 60 minutes, there's something good about you.
Right, and other teams, I'm talking about the Nabo Sundowns Pirates.
If we were still the nation in about Jomo would have scouted this guy. Amdonza ku Jomo Cosmos, adlale ku Premiership, then Pirates Amdonza.
Pirates,
They were supposed to scout those kind of players.
I can tell you Pirates and Sundowns, because of the money spent, they can spend money. Leangwenyele, I suspect one of the team.
Yeah, because it was the only one, Njengoba usho ukuthi, point of reference. They were not doing anything, Lamachete. They were just
Nothing.
defending.
Nothing.
But whenever they found him, they stole 2 minutes from the game.
Yeah.
Whether it's foul or opportunity, it's a save from Uchayina.
Yeah.
So they were using him. He's only one, not even 3 players. Only him alone. So I would love to see what will happen to him. I need to ask you about the coach before I let you go. Uwadu, the fact that Agadliwanga 5-0, Wapuma, the fact that his players took him to penalties, maybe I'm Kulumela now. What do you think is going to happen with him?
Yeah, obvious is the guy did very well first season, but many question bengibuza, how can you
He's
sign?
still in the 3rd or 4th month of first season.
Yeah, kancane sorry Nkululeko ngithi kuwe.
Sure.
Appointing that guy, I know ukuthi abantu ababhaya when it came to Orlando Pirates, I did say it even appoint ukuthi what has he done in order for him?
It's a good question.
Yeah, I just
He looks talented.
Yes.
That part I can attest to. Inkinga ukuthi he's never won the league.
And the talent-
He's never won the Champions League. Kusho ukuthi even naye nabadlali bakhe naye akakho experience.
Yeah.
Otherwise, so far he looks talented.
Yeah.
The problem is that if Pirates bengena kule season ifuna ukuwina the Champions League, they needed a Champions League pedigree coach. Bangabe befuna ukuwina i-league, they needed. You don't always need it, but most of the time, 90% of the time, you need a coach who's done it before.
It's very difficult to see a talented coach if you coach talented players. Ngikhuluma nge-Pirates, maybe lapha umuntu engathindanga la it's Renfi.
Yeah, it's got good
No.
material.
Unfortunately, it's very difficult to say the coach. Ngisafuna angisho ukuthi
He looks talented.
He's not a bad
If
coach, but I
Bela
still want to
Indanga, we
see.
would have seen him long time ago. If he was not good enough, we
Safuna
would have
ukumbona.
seen him long time ago. I think you can see the approach of a player Pirates
Yeah.
ukuthi there is construction kuma chance as well.
Into engimshayela izandla reading the game. Lapho ngimcompliment ukuthi shama coach abhaya leyo nto leyo even international. So coming
Let's go to the point of what happens to him.
yeah, bamsignile ama-player, the technical Pirates team. We've signed our police, we've signed Svelebele, we've signed
Mremi.
Mbule, we've signed Mremi.
Yeah.
We brought so
He's
many.
got material.
We've got this guy from Chipa United. Coach, what's going on? Ngoba Champions League, hayi la makhapa amancane. It's very important to win these trophies, but Champions League, I'm so signing players. Ne Sundowns, let me speak about Pirates and Sundowns. They signed these players because of
Those two competitions, the league and the Champions League.
league and Champions. So, which is I believe mini league kusazoba nzima kakhulu. Yabo nazo lezi zasePitori azikabi right, but signing those 2 players, which is akhulume ngalo Santos, I saw the different Sundowns. Just at nabo ngifuna ukubona more ngoba nabo bane jive ne coach. The coach le after just ukuphendula. After losing this, the technical team, they no longer gonna see him the way bembona ngakhona. I can tell you. I know ukuthi my fans, they won the trophy, the MTN, but technical team themselves, I know kuzoba nama questions now. Ngoba ngisasho mina namhla I suspect even the lineup namhlanje. I don't think he's him mfethu. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi ukudlala without a striker. Ngoba ngibona ama game akhe wonke why today. Nenye into wathi njoba ngisho mangithi kuwa kasi experience iPirates uzoyibheka le nto go away and concede 3. I know with Pirates is an offensive play team. But going away and concede 3 goals. I think it was the biggest mistake for him.
Yeah.
We need to learn now going forward. Mina,
Because Jose actually was knocked out now with stages.
Yeah.
Then the next year wabuya wa rectify wabaku semi-final.
Yeah.
So maybe they will give him a second chance as well.
they will give him a second chance, but Jose, I don't think they've signed him players like this.
But Pirates was the second best team.
Yeah,
Even
I
at
understand.
Even at the time, they had the second best squad.
But do you know,
Obviously, they didn't sign as many. Yeah, they didn't spend as much money
High
as this
profile
time.
we're talking about.
Yes, but it was still the second best team.
Yeah.
And basho ukuthi maybe asibone ukuthi abomufu game mhlambe next year
Yeah.
bazokhula. So I don't know if he's going to be under pressure.
another stuff they miss Mfuke. I know good
Yeah, that kid is one of the
they're
best.
taking it light about because when you win, yes, they miss that boy. Sometimes you need a star player, somebody that is they can compare that boy to ever. Anyway, I don't care about Nuchindi. I'm fana. Kulego, you can testify with
He's
this.
a superstar.
He has proved himself without the hype. Agna hype. One of the best talent we're talking about Machuren and speed. They needed a player that will decide the game. 4-3, even 5-4, he could score. That boy in a game, sometimes I remember last time when he decided the game. Also missing Nkota. I will mention that. Nkota, they miss him with a trophy lead. He did very well Mfana Loya. Ngale trophy lead. They missed these two players. But Mfukeng, even Nkota Zombala, but Mfukeng feature. I think they need going forward, even next year, Mababuye. If I have Mfana, they need a better Mfukeng Kulmana mindset. They need to support him. Angish could support Mfana, but South Africa need that boy, I can tell.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Tuna Kanye. That's Orlando Pirates. Well done to them. It's 3-0. Whoever said whatever in the build-up to this game, they actually did come back and score 3 goals. But as we mentioned, the 3 goals only meant that you go to extra time. Sorry, you go to penalties. So the job was not completely done, but they gave themselves a fighting chance. They lost on penalties. Well done to Orlando Pirates. Well done to St. Limpopo as well. If they wanted to score a goal with a more offensive formation, they would have scored a goal easily. They are decent enough to score an away goal. They just decided every man behind the ball, and they put themselves in trouble, which they will sleep in their hotel tonight, the coach thinking that he almost messed this up. Almost messed it up. But the football gods were on his side. It is Good Times, also sweating.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.